Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect bun for your baby girl. If you want to see, make sure you watch till the end.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I love you.
Stay with me while we prep for our photo shoot. This was actually our Christmas 2024 shoot. It's crazy. I am just editing this video and it's beautiful that we finally created a channel to show you these amazing hairstyles. One hairstyle I love to do for my girl is this hairstyle, like just two buns, guys. It keeps her within her age. It keeps her so girly, so beautiful, so cutesy. So if you've been struggling with any hairstyle, see this one. This is the easiest hairstyle you can ever make, which is like making two beautiful buns. Because we're doing a photo shoot, I'm going to try as much as possible to keep this hair together. If you know fussy hair, you know that it can be flying everywhere at any point in time. So first of all, we're going to start with wax and we're going to get the hair in shape so that we can make it ready for our buns. I actually decided to do like a sweet different part. It's like a zigzag part in between and it turned out really beautifully. I'm going to be showing all the products I use to achieve this hairstyle, as well as every single thing you would need. So you know what to do. Stay and hang on till the end and remember to subscribe.
Inside your heart, is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
Think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, and he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar.
Okay, my people, thank you for watching till the end. It's time for the final outfit reveal. We're trying on a couple of other different outfits. I'm sure you enjoy that, and I hope this video was helpful.
Look at me.
See you in the next one. Mwah.
Yeah, just dance. Okay, that's all. We'll make it.